Today guys, meron ako something dito sa aking table that will not blow your mind away with that flagship specs, with that curvy looks. But today, I have something very useful na pwede nyong ilagay sa inyong mga pocket. And I'm talking about the Cubot Pocket. And I'm pretty sure na naintriga kayo kung anong meron nga ba dito sa pinag-uusapan natin na Cubot Pocket. Right now, papakita ko sa inyo. Ano nga ba meron dito? Hey guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So right now, papakita ko sa inyo ang quick unboxing nitong Cubot Pocket. So guys, nakita na natin ang quick unboxing nitong Cubot Pocket. And kita natin, it's a very small na phone na andito sa aking table. It's really cute, it's really small. Actually, pwede mo tawagin Cutebot kung gusto nyo. And it's so small na kasyang-kasya sa aking palm. It's a 4-inch na palm size na phone na nakakamiss, no? Back in the Nokia days, it used to be this small. Running on Symbian, a little screen, and ang dito pa yung mga call and button na physical, no, may home button pa dito sa gitna, which is nakakamiss talaga. Very nostalgic ang kanyang design. This phone is packed with a 4 gigs of RAM and a 64 gigs of storage running on Unix SoC na T310. I know it's not that flagship specs na hinahanap ninyo, but the T310 is definitely a multitasker. Papakita ko sa inyo in a little later. And what you're buying here dito sa Cubot na Pocket is ang kanyang portability. Sa sobrang liit niya, I love the way that it is dito sa aking palm. I mean, one-hand texting has never been this good. I mean, very throwback. Yung mga phone ngayon, no, ang lalaki, medyo hirap i-reach corner to corner, but this one, swabing-swabe. But of course, syempre, kailangan nyo tiisin na medyo maliit nga lang ang kanyang keypad. Another thing dito na gusto ko is quite stylish. Kakaiba siya, and it's kind of giving me that nostalgic feel dati sa mga phones back in the early 2000 na halos ganito din ang itsura. Very simple, very elegant, and definitely one for the records. So right now, buboot up ko para makita natin how it looks like. So yeah, kita natin www.cubot.net. Doon natin mabibili ito, no? And I'll also post the link on the description box below. This phone right now is being priced at around 6,500 pesos. Nakita ko siya sa Lazada, and I'll be linking on the description box below. Silipin nyo lang if you're interested. So this is how it looks like dito sa Cubot Pocket. And it's very simple, out of the box, very vanilla Android feel, stock Android feel. And swiping left and right, well, makita mo, very simple lang. Actually, tinry ko install yung mga ilang games dito just to try it out. And, well, it's quite okay. Smooth naman siya. Swiping up and down. Okay naman siya. Wala akong naging problem dito. Hindi naman siya naiipit or nalalag. And this phone doesn't have that flagship specs and doesn't have that awesome camera. But what it has is sobrang portable. Ang bilis ilagay ito sa inyong pocket, lalo sa inyong mga skin-tight jeans. It's simply okay. I love the way it is. And checking natin yung camera niya. So, silipin lang natin quickly ang kanyang camera functions. These are some of the functions that you have. And it has a 13MP na rear camera and a 5MP na front camera. And, well, it doesn't have the best camera in the world, but it can take in some shots na, well, pwede mo naman post sa social media. Wala naging problem. There are times na okay, there are times na blurry. Now, something that I have to take notice is yung kind of front camera is quite good for its specs. So, taking a quick look around, sa ilalim meron siyang Type-C port, and sa gilid ang kanyang volume rocker, plus ang kanyang SIM tray, which ang kanyang SIM tray is a hybrid, which can support either you have 2 nano SIM or isang nano SIM plus isang micro SD card ang kanyang support. Sa ibabaw niya malinis and sa kabilang side is just simply the power button. Sa likod ang kanyang camera and sa harap ang kanyang camera din. And ang kanyang loudspeaker is being hidden dito sa loob ng speaker grill. And ang kanyang loudspeaker is being hidden dito sa kanyang speaker grill. So quickly test lang natin kanyang loudspeaker kung gaano kalakas nga ba to. To the curb looking icy. I ain't never stressed about a fit. I'm on hype it. Want more friends is a problem. Loudspeaker is quite weak. Hindi siya ganun kalakasan. And what I can say is that you might want to use your favorite Bluetooth TWS or, well, wala siyang audio jack nga pala nakasama. So, you're left with Bluetooth TWS. Now, if you're looking for a good TWS that you can use, I have two recommendations over here. It's from Adidas, and it's Z.N.E 01A and C, which is a sport true wireless na headset. You can use this during sports, running the treadmill or doing some acrobatics or sports, or you can use this one as well. It's the Adidas FW02 Sports True Wireless also, and it can support up to 19 hours of playback. I'll be doing some review of this in the future and link on the description below. Napapakita ko lang siya quickly how to type dito sa keyboard na ito. It's quite small. Medyo kung mataba ang yung finger, just like mine. So, medyo kakapain mo siya konti, no? And gusto lang natin i-type dito is Naruto. So, gusto ko lang pakita dito, no? Some of the quick videos na gusto ko i-share sa inyo while watching on this one. I can say it's not probably the best experience ever. I can say that this gives me the best viewing experience ever. But I can say it's watchable. Okay naman siya, no? And it's quite a mas habol mo talaga dito ang portability than anything else. So if you want to watch a quick video while inside the bus, in the MRT, this is quite a good one. And I can say na okay naman kanyang resolution. Probably not the best that it can offer, but at the very least, you can watch a 720p dito sa camera. Where at the very least, you can watch a 720p dito sa phone na ito. So let's just quickly go over some benchmark na nakuha ko. This is a score from Antutu benchmark. Well, quite impressive. 3D Mark na benchmark. Now, itong phone na ito has a 3,000 mAh of battery and it has a 10 watts charger pack inside the box. And I was able to get a, well, pretty decent na screen on time dito sa PC Mark battery stress test, 9 hours and 37 minutes. And I was able to use this for a whole day. Kayang-kaya naman niya magtagal, basta normal lang yung usage, not too much on the calls, not too much on mobile data. It can last you throughout the day without charging. Browsing through social media is okay, pero minsan feel ko is parang medyo malit nga lang siya for browsing. If you're watching some quick video lang naman sa Facebook, sa TikTok, I guess okay lang naman siya, no? I wouldn't say na it gave me the best viewing experience ever, but for some quick browsing, well, okay naman siya. No problem. Now, I'll bring this phone to a quick gaming test. Gusto ko lang matry, no? Well, on the level niya, kasi there are some Unisoc na 310 that can game. So, gusto ko lang i-try dito sa Cubot Pocket if this one can give me some basic gaming experience. And let's try. So, ito ang graphic settings na makikita natin dito sa Cubot Pocket. So, makulit lang siya, no? Kasi sobrang liit niya. Enemy contact! Changing mag! Cover me! Target's in sight! Word. Enemy down! Need backup! Contact with enemy! Tango down! Target's in sight! Enemy in sight! So initially, masasabi ko sa inyo, nakakapanibago. It's not easy kasi, well, maliit ang screen, maliit ang view, but I can say na kahit pa paano nakapaglaro ako ng okay na game dito, no? It's not na masasabi ko na sobrang crappy ang kanyang graphics, but it's still playable. And I was really surprised with this one na kaya na mag-game, no? Kasi alam ko naman si si T310, ano naman siya, it's a semi-gaming chip that can give you that entry-level na gaming experience. And, well, it shows. Kaya medyo napaparami ang aking talo dito kasi medyo hindi pa ako masanay-sanay talaga dito sa kanya, no? So guys, after trying to play a game with this phone, itong Cubot na Pocket, I can say na it's playable. But medyo nakapanibago dahil sobrang liit ng kanyang screen and medyo sobrang cramp ang yung controls. Doon ka medyo mahihirapan dito sa phone na ito. Kaya medyo nagkada leche-leche pag pipindot ko ng reload tsaka ng fire button and tsaka scope. So, well, kaya medyo naninibago ko. But overall, it can game at the very lowest setting probably para medyo maiwasan ng lags, and I can see na medyo uminit ka dito sa phone na ito, dito sa likod. And yeah, hindi naman siya super init but medyo uminit nga talaga siya. Pero well, it's still tolerable. So guys, what can I say about this phone na maliit, the Cubot Pocket? I can say that it's probably one of the pocket-friendly na phone na mabilis ipasok sa mga pants natin, lalo sa mga uso ngayon, o mga skin-tight jeans. Ang dali na ipasok, ang daling bitbitin, kahit anong lagay mo sa pocket mo or sa backpack mo or whatever, sa sling bag mo. Ang bilis, ang liit niya eh. Dahil probably it's built to be very easy to carry around. Kahit mag-exercise ka, mag-jogging ka, pwede mo bitbitin to kasi sobrang gaan na 120 grams, it's very light. And I can see na, well, if you're looking for something that is very small, very pocketable, I think this is the one, the Cubot Pocket. And you can buy it straight from Lazada. I'll be posting the link on the description below. As well as you can buy it on their official website, sa Cubot.net. And guys, if you like this video, don't... And so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para hindi mo miss mga future uploads ko na kakaiba like this one, the Cubot Pocket. And so, I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?